Happy World Farm Animals Day! And today I'll be reading you the story called Around the Farm by Eric Carle. The bull is strong.
Bull.
The cow gives us milk.
Cow.
The goat can climb.
Goat.
The pig has a curly tail.
Pig.
The sheep has wool that keeps it warm.
Sheep.
The lamb is a baby sheep.
Lamb.
The donkey kicks its legs.
Donkey.
The horse gallops in the field.
Horse.
The hen lays eggs for the farmer.
Hen.
The turkey likes to eat seeds and grains.
Turkey.
The chick is yellow and fluffy.
Chick.
The rooster wakes the farmer in the morning.
Rooster.
Next page. The cat meows and purrs.
Cat.
The dog howls at the moon.
Dog.
The mouse stays warm in the farmer's barn.
Mouse.
The frog leaps up into the air.
Frog.
The duck waddles to and fro.
Duck.
The turtle can hide in its shell.
Turtle.
The fish swims underwater.
Fish.
The crow flaps its wings.
Crow.
The sparrow likes to sing.
Sparrow.
The owl can see in the dark.
Owl.
The woodpecker pecks the tree with its beak.
Woodpecker.
Next page. The snake hisses and slithers.
Snake.
The rabbit likes to hop.
Rabbit.
Next page. The cricket hops and chirps.
Cricket.
The dragonfly zips and zooms.
Dragonfly.
The bee buzzes from flower to flower.
Bee.
The butterfly flutters its colorful wings.
Butterfly.
The caterpillar crawls along a leaf.
Caterpillar.
And that's the end of the book. Happy World Farm Animals Day!